How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to use gift cards on the Oculus Quest 2. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So the first thing that you guys need to know that is if you guys own an Oculus Quest 2 or a Meta Quest 2, it doesn't really matter. This method should still work as the whole Oculus and Meta fiasco was just a basic rebrand of the Oculus brand. So the hardware is still pretty much the same. They just changed the name and the logo. So this means that any gift card that you guys may have or was given to you can still be used if you guys own a Quest 2 or I should say an Oculus or a Meta Quest 2. So what you guys would need to do is you would need to put on your headset, and I actually have one, but I'm not sure how to go about doing the technical recording and stuff. So here you guys go. So let's say that you guys have subscribed to their newsletter, right? So normally Oculus or MetaQuest would often give promo codes like Oculus 30, so you get 30% off your next app purchase on the Oculus store. And there are times when they would also give you a free gift card. So let's say that you guys have one. By any means, let's say that you received it as a gift, like the name suggests, or you bought one for yourselves and you'd want to use it on the Quest store, right? So this can either be for virtual reality apps or mixed reality apps. So the thing that you guys need to do is you need to put on your headset, and then on the dashboard there should be a button that will take you to the MetaQuest store, right? So once you guys go to the MetaQuest store, there should be an option on the far left side of the window that says redeem gift card or redeem gift card code. So once you select that, basically just input the details. In fact, if you guys have the headset on and you can't see what's written on the gift card, you can a little life hack that I can teach you guys is you can tap the right side of your headset or actually anywhere on your headset twice, like tap it 2 times in a row, and this would show you pass-through mode, which you can see IRL using the Quest 2's cameras, right? So this will allow you to read what's written on the cards and basically input it in the Oculus store. And when you do, you guys should be good to go. Simply use the card to claim whatever app, be it virtual reality or mixed reality or games or whatnot if you want. So yeah, that's how you guys use the gift card on the Quest 2. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you want to show your support to that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.